handling frames. Frame is not web element. It is also a container like page, but it is section of page, sub page like section of a page. See, handling frames. Handling frames. Frame is a section of a web page. Frame may contain multiple elements. Frame may contain multiple elements. Observe Akila. In this page, try to identify manually. Then technically we can check. How many frames are there in this web page? How many frames are there? Okay. Suppose google.com. Observe Saurav Ghosh. How many frames are there? Observe manually. How many frames are there in this web page?
1.
No, 0. No sections.
0.
Only main page. Only main page. Or you can say official term is top window. No frames. No frames. Observe. Place mouse pointer on the page and right click. Inspect. Here console. Here only top window. Only one HTML na.
Yes.
Forget about add blocker. These are plugins. These are remaining are plugins. Only one HTML document. So no frames. No frames. For example, Selenium official website. Downloads. Suppose Java API docs. Java API docs. Frames. Now observe Akhil. Sorry. Saurav, how many frames are there in this page?
3 frames.
3 frames.
Or 2 frames.
3 frames. 3 frames.
Okay, 3 frames.
3 frames. Inspect. Console. Where is that one? Observe. Main page, one page. Observe. Package frame is there now.
Yes.
For package frame. Next package list frame. Next class frame. Class frame. 3 frames. Okay. Just a minute. Any query, Akila? HTML frames. HTML frames are used to divide the browser window. HTML frames are used to divide the browser window into multiple sections. Next, frames. Frames are sections of a web page Frames are sections of a web page displayed on the top window. Top window means main page. Displayed on the top window. Next, observe one point, Attila. In manual testing, we no need to focus on frames. We can operate or handle, we can handle any element in any frame directly. Observe. In manual testing, we need not focus on frames. We can handle any element in any frame directly. Observe. Suppose in this page we have 3 frames. I want to click second element, this link element in third frame. If it is manual testing, I can operate it directly. Okay, reflection is there. Next, I want to operate first link in first frame directly. Back. Next, suppose second link in second frame directly. But automated testing is not like that. How? Just a minute. In automated testing or test automation using Selenium. First we need to switch to a frame from top window. Then we can handle elements in that frame. First, we need to switch to a frame from the top window. Then we can operate elements. In that frame. We can't operate elements directly. Observe this concept. Example. Just a minute. Saurav Ghosh. Observe. Suppose launch a web page with frames. Suppose my page is this one. Launch a web page which has multiple frames, sections of a web page. Here, click first link in third frame. If it is manual testing, I can just click on first link in third frame. I am getting the application response. That's it. If it is automated testing, if you click this one, it is link element, link element. No need to inspect link element. Use link text. org.openqa.selenium is the link text. Otherwise, you can go for partial link text also. Partial link text also. Okay. See. Driver dot find element by dot link text value org dot openqa.selenium dot click. Run the code. Observe what will happen. I think execution interrupted. Observe. No such element exception. It is not clicking directly. We need to switch from top window to first frame. How? Observe. This is example. See. Incorrect script. Without considering frames. Next, correct script. We need to switch from from top window to particular frame. Switch from top window. Switch from top window to a frame is done in two ways. Two ways. One is using frame index. Frame index. Syntax driver dot switch to. Yesterday we used this switch for switching to pop-up. This time switching to a frame. Switch to dot frame. Here frame name, that is string type data. String name. Semicolon. Next, using frame index. Index is integer type data. Int index. Next, using frame name. frame name. Driver dot switch to frame string name. String name. Then you can operate. Here how to get frame name or frame index. Observe Akila. Frame index, you can't get that value in that HTML info. Frame index starts from 0 to n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1. First top left to bottom right. Say first one. Observe my mouse pointer, first one. This is 0. This is 0. Next, bottom one. 1. right side frame. 2. Right side frame. 2. Say 0, 1, 2. Suppose in your web page 10 frames are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 to 9, 0 to n minus 1. Say generally we may not have number of frames in a page, 2 or 3 frames. Then you can easily 2 or 3, maximum 4 or 5. You can easily find out the index. Top left to right, bottom right. Say this is 0, 1, 2. Ours is 2. Frame index 2. Otherwise, you can use frame name. How to get frame name? Place mouse pointer on the frame. Inspect. This is Selenium launched. Where is user launched? This one. Place mouse pointer on the frame and right click. Inspect. Here. Observe. Scroll up. Here already there. Scroll up and find nearest frame tag. Find nearest frame tag. In that frame tag you can get a name. Observe my mouse pointer. Scroll up, nearest frame tag. In that nearest frame tag, what is the frame name? Class frame. Just a minute. Suppose I want to get the second frame tag. Sorry, second frame name. Place mouse pointer on the second frame and right click. Inspect. Scroll up and find the nearest frame tag. This is the nearest frame tag. What is the frame name? Package frame. Okay now? Any problems, Saurav?
No, sir.
Next, I want to find out. I want to find first frame, index 0, top left, first frame name. Place mouse pointer on the frame and right click. Inspect. Find nearest frame tag. Go up, nearest frame tag.
Package list frame.
Like this, you can get frame names. Otherwise, suppose in your web page only 2 or 3 frames are there, you can easily guess the frame index. Here, first I am using frame index for this third frame, right side frame. Index is, what is the index value?
2.
2.
2.
Next, inspect the name also. Up, find the nearest frame tag, class frame. Okay, class frame. Okay. First using index. Before this, click driver dot type
Switch
yes,
to
switch to dot
the
frame argument index, suppose 2 means third frame, then it can click, it can operate that element. Run the code. Observe, operated na,
yes.
without error, operated. Observe Akila. Next time, see, using frame index. Using frame index. Next, using frame name. Frame name. Using frame name. Frame name class frame na. Just a minute. That is string type data, use double quotes. Use, oh, just a minute. Oh, inspect nearest frame, class frame, single word. Nearest frame tag. Class frame. Run the code. Operated na?
Yes.
Operated. Okay. This is using frame name. Using frame name. This is about handling frames. Frame is not a web element, isn't it? Frame is not web element. Okay. Next, one more example for this one. This time you, Akila, are you there? Akila not responding.
Yes.
Observe Akila.
Yes, sir.
My test steps. Observe. Test steps. Test steps. Launch a web page. Put mute for some time. Some boiling sound coming from your voice device. Launch a web page which has multiple frames. This is one test step. Next, operate an element in third frame. Next, operate an element in first frame as part of our test case navigation. First frame. First frame. Next, close browser window. Close browser window. First, manual testing. Manual testing. In manual testing, only these four steps. Only these four steps. Launch a web page. Launch a web page. Means four steps. First launch browser. Next launch scene manual testing. One more step. Launch a browser. Launch a browser. Next, load or open a web page which has multiple frames. These steps. Next, automated testing. Automated testing using Selenium. Try to identify the steps. Akila. Here also, suppose launch a browser, load a first two steps common.
Okay.
Next, operate an element third frame. We can't operate an element in a frame directly, na?
Yes, we need to know the class name.
Okay, that is prerequisite. Frame name is prerequisite. You need to switch from
Okay.
top window to third frame.
Yes.
Step.
Yes. Top window to third frame, you have to switch.
That
Yes.
is the step. Know the frame
So-
name or frame index. They are prerequisites. Okay.
So switch
Next,
to-
switch. Our focus on, if you launch a page, our focus on page. Page is called top window. Top window, entire page. Switch.
Yes, sir.
Switch from top window means main page. Top window.
To
Window to top window to third
third frame. Third frame.
third frame. Okay. Next, operate an element in third frame. Operate
Inspect.
an element in third frame. Oh, inspecting, that is
Prerequisite.
prerequisite. That is not test step. That is not test step.
Okay.
We are discussing about steps, test steps. Okay. How you
Okay.
create test step, that is your burden. That is your risk. Okay. Operate an element in third frame. If it is manual
we have
testing, directly operate. After launching the page, you can operate directly an element in third frame. Next,
Yes.
I want to operate an element in first
Element
frame.
in-
First frame.
Again, you have to switch.
Again, I have to switch.
Switch from third frame to first frame.
We can't switch from one frame to another. We can't switch from one
So
frame
you
to
have to go
another
to top
directly.
window?
We can't observe this point. We can't switch from one frame to another directly. Via top window only we can switch from one
Okay.
frame to another. First,
So switch
back
from.
to
Okay. Top window.
back to top window. Back to top window. This concept is called back to default. Back to default.
Okay.
Next, next switch.
Now switch
switch
from top window to first frame.
Switch from top window to first frame. first frame. Next, just a minute. Switch.
Then operate an element in first frame.
Next, operate an element in first frame. Operate an element in first frame. First frame. Next, close browser.
Close browser window.
See, these are the steps. Find the difference between manual testing and automation, test automation or automated testing in case of frame handling. Okay. Test steps. Selenium, WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver test steps. Just a minute. First launch this page. I think we already launched it. Next, operate an element in first third frame. Okay, we are clicking. Next.
Go back.
Back to
Go back to default.
Back
Default.
to default. First I am using index object, using index. Suppose 2. Next, see, you can use either index or frame name. Next, back to default. What is the step? Driver dot switch to dot default content. For observation, you can use sleep time. Suppose first switch to this one, thread dot sleep. Suppose 3000 milliseconds means 3 seconds. Next, after click. Next, switch to first frame using index driver dot find element. Sorry, switch to first frame.
Switch to.
Driver dot switch
to dot frame.
Frame index 0.
Okay.
Next, operate an element in that first frame. Suppose I want to click this link, third link in first frame. Click this one. Reflection in second frame na.
Yes, sir.
Reflection in second frame. What is that?
So, inspect.
I am clicking on second link in first frame. Click this one, reflection. No need to inspect, I think. It is link element na. You can use link text.
By link text. Okay.
This is the link text. Okay. Driver dot find element by dot link text. link text. Link text value, this one. Dot click.
Dot click. Okay.
Next, sleep time. Next, close the browser window. Driver dot close. Observe, my navigation is first launch a web page which has multiple frames. Next, click first element, first link in this third frame, reflection in third frame. Next, click second link in first frame, reflection in second frame. Okay. Close browser window. This is my navigation. Run the code. After 3 seconds, reflection in third. Next, operate first, reflection in second frame. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
This is about handling frames. This time I used frame index, na? Frame index.
Frame index.
Next, using frame name. Frame name. Find out the frame name. Default. This is default. Find out the frame names. Inspect.
Inspect.
Up and find the nearest frame tag. This one, class frame.
Class frame.
Third frame is class.
I think package frame.
Third frame is class frame. Next, find the first frame name. Place mouse pointer on the first frame and right click. Inspect. Up. Go up. Name. Package.
List frame.
Package list frame. Instead of 0, that is index. Index is integer. But frame name is string. Use double quotes.
Okay.
Run the code. First, operate an element in third frame, operated. Next, operate an element in first frame, operated. Reflection in second frame. Close the browser window. Okay. Rise query, Saurav Ghosh. Rise query.
Oh, okay, sir.
Then you can easily handle elements in frames now.
Yes.
First, remember, is frame a web element?
No.
No, frame is not a web element. It is a section of web page. It is also container-like page. Why? Frames may have multiple elements. Multiple elements.